Today we're making Korean braised chicken or Jjimdak. It's made by braising chicken, vegetables, and glass noodles in a savory soy sauce. It can be quite expensive at restaurants, but it's much more affordable to make at home. And the recipe is actually pretty simple. For today's epilogue, I'll take you to a quieter corner of Korea where I often go for a walk. So stick around until the end. Jjimdak is the perfect balance of sweet and savory. If you enjoy chicken, I think it's a dish that's hard not to love. It goes perfectly with rice, and it's also very flexible. We used bone-in chicken today, but you can use boneless thighs or chicken breast if you prefer. The vegetables are flexible too, so feel free to use whatever you like. Have you ever heard of jjajang? We've made jjajangmyeon on this channel before, but jjajang is the savory black bean sauce used to make it. In Korea, it's commonly stir-fried with pork and onions, then served over noodles or rice. Because it's so popular, you can also buy it in powder, paste, or liquid form. Most of these products already contain starch, so the sauce thickens naturally as it cooks. You also see these products used in some modern Korean home recipes. It's not really the traditional way, but it's a quick and convenient option. So if you're interested in cooking Korean food, it's definitely worth knowing about. The chef in this video is actually my older sister. She told me the recipe calls for 100 grams of glass noodles, but she likes them so much that she doubled it to 200 grams. She also added 1 extra spoon of soy sauce. I can't blame her though. I love glass noodles too. They're chewy, they soak up all the sauce, and they're probably my favorite part of Jjimdak. If you're like us, don't be afraid to add a little extra. And our Jjimdak is ready. At a restaurant in Korea, a dish like this often costs around 40,000 won. Of course, everyone has a different idea of what counts as expensive, but personally, I think that's quite a lot. When you make it at home, it's much more affordable, and you can add more of whatever you like. Especially the glass noodles in our case. For this dish, I honestly think homemade is the better choice. It's easier than it looks, so I definitely recommend giving it a try. And as I mentioned at the beginning, I'd now like to show you the walking route I take almost every day. Let's go for a walk. I live about 40 minutes from Seoul. I'm lucky to have a walking trail like this nearby, so I come here almost every day. Most of the time, I listen to music, but sometimes the sound of the wind, birds, insects, and the trees is all I need. Being surrounded by nature has a way of helping me slow down. Maybe it's because in the end, we are part of nature too. I hope today's video brought you a little comfort. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. I'll see you again next time. Bye.